A tip from Connecticut Home Generator Systems. If you own a Generac standby generator, please remember to perform routine maintenance as outlined in your owner's manual. Check all fluid levels during and after any usage. Inspect fuel lines and connections for leaks and kinks, and top off your propane fuel tank after any prolonged use. Make sure your Generac generator is being serviced by a certified Generac technician. Call Connecticut Home Generator Systems today, specializing in installation, repairs, and maintenance of Generac generators.